Brownies.
Alright, it's in the air. Welcome to my review. I'm gonna review the Spark right now and see what it does, so I'll let you guys know. The DJI Spark is pretty dope. I love it that's so tiny and so small. The only complaint I do have is the battery. The battery life sucks. I would say I would get literally probably like between 9 to 11 minutes because within those, it says the flight time is around 15-16 minutes. But between those 4-minute countdown, it already tells you to bring it back because there's low battery. Once it hits like that 1 minute mark, it kind of like goes on its own, which I kind of don't like. It's trying to like land safely within that 1 minute to come back wherever your destination's at, which is kind of cool. But the thing is, I don't like to have the fact that I don't have no control of the drone itself. This one has about 75% of battery left. So I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna swap it out. I'm gonna put the battery inside, just like so. You click once and then you hold it for a couple seconds, then you let go, and you hear a beeping sound. Alright, that's the sound you want. So you guys go to see how it looks like. A really great way you could catch this, you could do it by hand. Watch. That's one way you could do it. Overall take for this, I would say I love this thing. It's super cool. I've never, this is my first time flying like a drone but it was really easy to learn. Lastly, I am a DJI affiliate. If you're thinking of buying a Spark, just click that link below and that'll help out the channel as well, so that way I can put more content for you guys. But other than that, thank you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next episode. Peace.